What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the AMG and it's so nice out, so I decided why not, let's make a quick video, give it a little spin the block. Let's put our exhaust button on, put individual mode. We got some gas for once. You guys don't be liking my videos, so I can't get that gas. Like my video so I have some gas, you know. Share it with your grandma or something. Yo, granny like this AMG, you know that. Don't lie to me. Woo! Starting off strong, baby. It's loud. Pop this open. Hopefully it doesn't make too much wind noise. Damn, look at this SVR. We got the lake. Really nice outside. Woo! We got the boats outside already. Damn. Got the AMG outside too. It's a good day. Hey, like if you're from Detroit and you know that song Good As Day from Doughboys. I hope the wind ain't, you know, blocking the noise. Man, that guy's flying. Woo, look at the water. Wow. Got that Italian flag right there. These cars are so close. These nice houses. This house is about to depreciate in value. All the noises I'm making. I'm lowering everybody's rent, don't worry. The lake. Should we just bust a left turn right now? It's a school right there. We gotta respect these workers. Very hard workers out in the sun. Let's motivate them. It's a nice basketball court. Woo! I know people walk around here, so I'm gonna chill. I was actually just walking here. That's a nice LT1, black. Looks like my boys. Let's go. Wow! This is crazy! Oh my god. I love these turns. Woo! Hit that apex right there. Hit that apex. Woo! Yup. Hit the apex right there like that. Man, I love Mexico. Man. One day I want to own a house on the lake. That's the dream. It's the house on the lake, 4-car garage. With my AMG, my TRX, my Audi R8, and a Shelby GT500. All different type of cars. Man. that. Woo. Man, a convertible too. Add a convertible to that list. Honestly, I would probably sell this and get the C63 coupe and convertible. Those actually look good too in convertible. Not a lot of cars pull it off. Or, you know, the C606, that's a nice convertible because you can just put the hardtop on. I wish, you know, other manufacturers would do something like that. But M4, I know that M4 does it, it's just it doesn't look right. You can tell it's like a convertible. My temperature's at 210 and my trans never get this hot. I've been getting worried for my trans, I'm not gonna lie to you. Ooh, look, we got a Porsche. Nice Porsche right there. That wrap is sick. I'm looking. Guys, comment down below if I should wrap this matte black. Just go crazy. Let's go bananas on this. Bananas. I really want to wrap the front black, matte black, and then like tan in the back. I've seen it on a Challenger and stuff, but not much on a Mercedes, like a two-tone color that fades. The only thing that sucks is like when I want to sell the car, I would have to probably take off the wrap, because having a wrap like that is very very aftermarket, and people are I'm probably gonna have a hard time selling, you know, trying to sell this car with that wrap. My GoPro died, but my phone's still alive. So we gonna get some more. Very quick shifts. I mean, I haven't been in a car that has a faster transmission than this. It's really impressive how fast this transmission is. Woo! Them downshifts. Oof. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more POVs if you want to see more on the channel, because I do POVs here and there, but if you guys want to see more and with different sceneries, comment down below. I appreciate the subs and likes. Any support would help. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.